Welcome to Car Update 2025. Cadillac Escalade V takes luxury and performance to a whole new level, delivering an exhilarating experience wrapped in the elegance of a full-size SUV. It continues to be the most powerful Escalade ever, featuring a monster 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine producing an astonishing 682 horsepower and 653 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse under the hood ensures that the Escalade V isn't just about luxury. It's about raw performance that can push this massive SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 4.4 seconds. That's the kind of acceleration you'd expect from a high-performance sports car, not a three-row SUV. The power is sent through a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth yet aggressive shifts, ensuring that whether you're cruising down the highway or accelerating hard, the Escalade V delivers a thrilling ride. Cadillac has fine-tuned the Magnetic Ride Control 4.0 and Air Ride Adaptive Suspension, making sure that despite its size, the Escalade V remains incredibly composed. This system constantly adjusts to road conditions, offering a balance between a plush ride and sharp handling. Whether driving through city streets or taking on winding roads, the suspension ensures a confident and controlled driving experience. The all-wheel drive system is standard, ensuring maximum traction and stability, no matter the weather or road conditions. The high-performance Brembo brakes, finished in eye-catching red calipers, provide excellent stopping power, bringing this beast to a halt with confidence. The exterior design of the 2025 Escalade V perfectly matches its aggressive performance. A bold and menacing front fascia, featuring a blacked-out grille with a V-Series badge, makes a strong statement. The LED lighting signature, with vertical headlights and taillights, gives it an unmistakable presence on the road. Exclusive 22-inch wheels with a unique design add to its dominant stance, while the quad exhaust system at the rear not only enhances the look but also produces a deep, throaty roar that announces its arrival with authority. Every design element, from the aerodynamic enhancements to the sculpted lines, emphasizes that this is no ordinary Escalade. It's built for those who demand both power and presence. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that redefines luxury. The Escalade V's cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, blending high-end materials with cutting-edge technology. Premium leather upholstery, accented with V-Series badging and intricate stitching, covers the seats, providing supreme comfort. The driver and passengers are treated to heated, ventilated, and massaging seats, ensuring a first-class experience on every journey. The dashboard is dominated by a stunning 38-inch curved OLED display, offering crystal-clear visuals for the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. Cadillac's latest interface is intuitive, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium AKG 36-speaker sound system that turns the cabin into a concert hall. Technology is at the forefront of the 2025 Escalade V, with advanced driver assistance features that make every ride safer and more convenient. Super Cruise, Cadillac's hands-free driving system, is available, allowing for autonomous highway driving with minimal driver input. The SUV is packed with safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. Night vision technology adds an extra layer of security, detecting pedestrians and animals in low-light conditions. The head-up display projects key information onto the windshield, keeping the driver informed without taking their eyes off the road. Despite its luxury and technology, the Escalade V doesn't compromise on practicality. It offers a spacious three-row seating layout with ample room for passengers and cargo. The power-folding rear seats allow for easy configuration, whether you need extra cargo space or comfortable seating for the whole family. The hands-free power liftgate adds convenience, making it easier to load and unload, even when carrying groceries or luggage. Whether it's for daily driving, long road trips, or making a grand entrance, the Escalade V is built to handle it all with ease. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade V is more than just a luxury SUV, it's a statement of power, performance, and prestige. It combines the best of Cadillac's engineering, offering an unmatched blend of speed, comfort, and innovation. For those who crave a high-performance SUV without sacrificing luxury and technology, the Escalade V stands in a league of its own. With its jaw-dropping acceleration, opulent interior, and aggressive design, it's a vehicle that demands attention and delivers an unforgettable driving experience. The 2025 model continues to push boundaries, proving that Cadillac is still at the top when it comes to combining American luxury with high-performance capabilities. Stay updated. Subscribe for the latest car news and reviews. Don't miss out. Subscribe for exclusive car updates. Your ultimate car hub. Subscribe for the latest auto trends, car lovers, this one's for you. Subscribe now.